Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Generic Garage. This episode is going to be just a quick one. We need to fix the threaded hole for this bolt. If you didn't see the last episode, this is not the bolt that goes in here. The first, I'd say half an inch of thread on the bolt hole in the block is stripped out there. So what we got going on is there's the bolt that goes in there. Got ourselves a drill guide, a couple of cobalt drill bits, those are 21/64, and the Helicoil kit for the 5/16 18 thread bolt. We're gonna have to take off this water pump, the harmonic balancer, the oil pan, and the timing chain cover, and that's really unfortunate because we just got those installed. And we'll see if we can't drill and tap that hole in the block. Stick around. Well, there you have it, everyone. That is the stripped hole. I think we're going to be able to drill that out and tap that just fine, and then put in that helicoil. I wish I had a better camera so I could zoom in a bit, but whatever. That's it. All right, so we're going to use our nice drill guide for our 21/64 drill bit. We're going to line it up on here. Get it real nice and flat across the block. Line up our hole, and we're gonna take this real slow and real easy. Cast iron, I think, likes to crumble and turn into dust rather than create nice chips. So don't push the drill bit all the way in without pulling it out a few times to make sure that you've gotten all the stuff out. And we're not gonna be taking on very much. 21/64 is just above 5/16, so take it slow, take it easy. Use your drill guide, use a little bit of oil, should be good to go. Yeah, it's just kind of crumbling up in there. Just digging in. That looks pretty good. Now we gotta tap it. I also heard that the key to putting threads in cast iron is making sure you have a really sharp tap. For me, that means just having a new tap. So none of the holes in my drill guide block will fit this, so we're just gonna be real careful and make sure we get this in there really straight. And again, go slow. This cast iron is just crumbling as I do this on the inside. This little wrench kind of stinks. See if my other one's any better. Feels better. Goes pretty easy for a little bit and then kind of tightens up. Oh yeah, it's just turning that into powder. No chips, just powder. There's our freshly tapped hole. And now we need to put a helicoil in there. Helicoil, meet the tool. The tool goes all the way down until it locks on there. And you should be able to thread this in there. A nice 12.6 millimeter socket apparently works well with this. Run this back in there. Go. So there you have it. Helicoil installed. And that should work. Well, let's put it all back together. All right, as promised, a nice short video. We got everything put back together. This is the way we should have ended the video last week, but you know, things happen sometimes. This bolt over here finally tightened up real nice. That helicoil went in there after we got everything tapped. I hope everybody learned something about tapping cast iron, drilling it, and then putting a helicoil in it, because I know I sure did. So that bolt's good to go. And next week, we will make a little bit more progress. We should hopefully get this thing back in the Ranger so that we can start designing our headers. We will see how far we get on the next video. Right before I let y'all go, these are the valve covers we got. I did get the ones from Summit. They showed up a day after these. I went looking for these specifically because they have the passenger side hole on the front, and I don't have to drill anything like I would with the ones from Summit. You're not gonna believe this, but Amazon, I guess, messed up the pricing on these. Normally these are about $187 plus tax for a set of these. And I picked up 2 sets of these for a total of $90. That means that Amazon had them listed at about 45 bucks. There's your part number right there. Go see if they're still messed up. I have an extra set, and I have that set from Summit. But there you go, breather on the front, just like we need. So our AC will fit real nice. All right, well, I have to clean up the garage. I made a massive mess today. So I'm gonna do that, and y'all be safe and have a great week, and I will catch y'all on the next video. Bye.